What's up guys, my name's Sean Elvers and this is the Reality After Show, and today we're going to be showing you how to juggle. The very first step is to grab 3 balls and throw 2 of them to the side. Now with this ball, all you're going to do is throw it back and forth, just like this. You want to make sure the ball is very consistent where you throw it and try to make it go right above eye level. Back and forth, and once you can do this consistently, same throws, everything, then you're going to want to stop and go to 2 balls. Now that you have 2 balls, what you're going to do is you're going to throw the first one up, and as it hits its peak and comes down, you're going to throw this one under it, just like this. But you want to make sure the ball stays consistent, just like before. So same height, try to get the same height at least, or a similar height. Maybe do it with the other hand first. And once you're comfortable with this, you're almost there. You can go to 3 balls. So once you have 3 balls, I suggest putting 2 in your dominant hand and 1 in your undominant hand. It's kind of like juggling too, but only with the 3rd ball, you throw that underneath also, just like this. 1, 2, 3. And that's all you need to do at first. 1, 2, 3. And once you get consistent throws like that, then you can move up and do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you can keep on growing and growing, and after a while you can just juggle forever with no problem. Thank you guys for watching this video. Quick shout out to Brittany Nicole, Viper Geico 6, Tyler Tucker, Subtude 89, and Health Fanatic 90. Those were my top 5 recent subscribers who also leave a comment and a like. You guys can get a shout out next video if you do the same exact thing. If you like this video, it does help out a ton if you like, comment, and subscribe, so please do that. You will get a shout out. Thanks for watching. This is the Reality After Show, and I'm out. Micro dab.